Hello everyone. My presentation today is titled Deforestation and its Effects on the Economy. We often hear about the environmental disaster of forest loss, but the true picture includes a massive, often uncalculated economic fallout that impacts all of us, from local communities to global financial stability. The destruction of our forests isn't just an ecological issue, it's a catastrophic risk to our future economy. In the next few minutes, we'll analyze the scale of global forest loss, the economic forces driving it, the direct and global costs, and what solutions can move us toward a sustainable economic future. Simply put, deforestation is the permanent removal of forests, clearing land for alternative, non-forest uses, primarily converted to large-scale operations like industrial farms, cattle ranches, or expanding urban developments, with conversion for farming being the largest driver. The environmental costs are immediate and severe, causing a direct loss of biodiversity, significant soil erosion, and rapidly disrupting local and global climate patterns. The scale of this loss is truly shocking. While forests still cover about 30% of Earth's land surface, they are disappearing at an alarming rate, with tropical forests being cut down at the rate of 1.5 acres every single second, equivalent to 20 football fields every minute, a rapid conversion that results not only in immediate ecological damage, but also in devastating, long-term economic damage. The reason for this immense loss is primarily driven by three clear economic factors: industrial agriculture, the single largest cause driven by massive global demand for commodity crops, and especially beef; commercial logging, involving the harvesting of timber and wood products, both legal and illegal; and resource extraction, where mining for minerals and fossil fuels often requires clearing vast forest tracts. The immediate costs of ecosystem degradation are numerous, including soil erosion, which reduces agricultural productivity and increases fertilizer costs; loss of natural capital, meaning we permanently lose invaluable resources like medicinal plants and essential genetic material; increased disaster risk, as forest destruction leads to a higher incidence and severity of floods, landslides, and droughts; and water regulation failure, directly impacting downstream agriculture and municipal water supply stability. Beyond these local costs, deforestation poses a global economic threat through its impact on climate change, as forest loss accounts for a staggering 12 to 17% of global greenhouse gas emissions, a warming trend that affects agricultural stability, health systems, and coastal infrastructure globally. Furthermore, disrupted water cycles threaten the viability of major hydroelectric power generation. Take the Amazon rainforest as a case study. It's a critical carbon sink and biodiversity hotspot whose destruction accelerates global warming, while its health maintains vital rainfall patterns for agriculture and hydroelectric power in surrounding countries, posing significant economic risks if destruction continues. The good news is that economic growth and forest protection are not mutually exclusive. We can foster a sustainable economy through coordinated global strategies, including implementing sustainable supply chains with certification and tracing systems to ensure consumer products are deforestation-free, reforestation investment in large-scale efforts to actively restore degraded landscapes and sequester carbon, and strengthen governance through enforcing anti-logging laws, securing land tenure, and upholding the rights of indigenous populations, who are often the most effective forest guardians. In conclusion, protecting forests protects our future economy, as forests are vital economic assets providing critical ecosystem services, essential climate stability, and sustainable livelihoods. By taking immediate, collaborative action, we can reverse ecological damage, foster green jobs, and generate sustainable economic growth. Prioritizing balancing necessary economic development with long-term forest conservation for a prosperous future for all.